Hi, I'm Andrew Guck, your local agent in Carcassonne, and today we are in the heart of the Corbières in the most alluring villages in the south of France, La Grasse. La Grasse is a medieval village which is known as one of the most beautiful villages of France, and is well known for its 8th century abbey. Today we're in a property located just above the village of La Grasse, and one of the things I like best about this property is that it has a picturesque view of the entire village and the abbey. Another thing that I really like about this property is that it's split into two different sections, and there's a beautiful hallway with glass windows that connect the two parts. So you have your living space, which is more towards the east and the south of the property, with a beautiful panoramic view of the village. And then you have your sleeping area at nighttime to kind of separate the living area and the sleeping area, which is towards the west of the property. If you're like me and you like to work from home for most of the time, I think you would really like having the mezzanine where you can spend your days looking out the beautiful oxide windows with a panoramic view that lets in a lot of light. Also, it would be perfect if you like to read as just a kind of reading nook to have separate from the rest of the house. The kitchen is perfect for any chef. Any chef would be thrilled to have a kitchen like this. And the eating area will basically extend out to the sliding doors into the sunshine, where you can enjoy a glass of rosé or your summer meal, where you'll probably be spending most of your time since we are in the beautiful sunny south of France here. Another thing about this property is that when you walk around it, you'll notice that there are terraces on not only the east side and the west side, but also the south side and the north side, which is perfect for different times of the day, whether in the wintertime you want to be in the sunshine in the south, whereas in the summer you might want to spend more time in the shade to be cool, because we are in the south of France again, where the summers are pretty hot. Upon entering this property, you'll notice that it's surrounded by beautiful stone walls that have come from the quarries of the Corbières. And upon entering the land, you'll notice that it's a very well landscaped property with beautiful Mediterranean plants such as cypress trees, olive trees, Italian stone pines, oleander, and other rosemary and lavender plants. They'll guide you all the way back to the swimming pool, which has a panoramic view of the abbey from the swimming pool, where you can enjoy your summers. The property also features several utility rooms, which is perfect for storage and having space to put your belongings. Additionally, there's a large pool house, which has its own barbecue for summertime and its own bathroom too. And last but not least, there's a large cellar underneath the house, perfect for storing your Corbière wines. So now that you've seen the video, I'm sure you want to learn more about it. So be sure to look below and you can read more information, see more photos, and also contact me directly if you'd like to schedule a viewing. And I'll be happy to come see you and show you around La Grasse and the property itself. So thank you again and have a great day.